Today, I want to tell you the compounding effect in our life. Compounding effect is applicable in any damn thing. It is applicable in your spiritual life, physical life, as well as your financial life. Consider that you want to uplift yourself. Why I am talking about spiritual life? Because many people are unable to concentrate in a particular job or in a particular situation. So if you are unable to concentrate properly, then you cannot do a very big job. You can do several jobs, but you cannot do any big job. So this is the difference. Now suppose you want to uplift your spiritual life. You start concentrating. Okay, first day you are unable to concentrate. Second day, oh, same thing is happening. Even third day, same thing is happening. But from the fourth day, fifth day, you will be finding little bit difference. And after 15, 20, 30 days or few months, you can see that you are able to concentrate. You are able to concentrate for a longer period of time. You are able to perform a big job. You are able to take your decision within wisdom. So this is the difference. Now consider about our physical life. Suppose one muscle in your hands are not working properly. It is very weak. Now if you start exercising today, then you will not get any result. Even if you do it tomorrow, then you will get little bit pain. Even in the third day you won't get any result. But after 10 days, 15 days, you can perceive that little bit difference is there and little bit difference is happening inside your muscle. So if you do it gradually every day without any failure, then after 5 or 6 months and 1 year, you will see that your muscle is very strong and you can defeat anyone. So this is the difference. This is the difference of compounding effect. Now let us consider about the financial arena. Consider that you don't have so much money and you are thinking that you are poor or you are middle class family or you are struggling for money. Now you start saving. Okay, first you have to start savings, but try saving. Okay, your first day, second day, 1 month, 2 months, and after 1 year you will perceive that okay, you have saved something. Now you decide that where to invest your savings, because savings will not give you a very big return, but it will give you a very good habit. It will change your habit. Okay, so now you invest your money. You can invest your money in bonds, you can invest your money into gold, you can invest your money into silver, you can invest your money into the stock market, you can buy the company, or you can invest your money for your own company also. You can open your own company. Now if you start doing it gradually, after a few years you will be seeing that your investment is generating cash, and you again invest those cash. I mean, you invest the generated cash from the business into the same business or different business to make it a stream. And once you make the stream, once you make it flow, then it will generate more cash, and one day you will be finding that your dream or your desire will be fulfilled, and you will be very much confident for your life also. So compounding effect is very essential in our life. To understand the compounding effect, suppose I am giving you one paisa today, tomorrow 2, and day after tomorrow 4. So can you calculate that after 15 or 20 days how much money will be with you? So it will be very big amount. If you consider that after 25 or 30 days, amount will be so high that you can buy the whole world. So this is the wonder of compounding effect.